all, welcome to Nile Investment Ideas. The stock pick of the day is Asian Paints. Let's look more about the stock. The company has come a long way since its small beginnings in 1942. It was set up as a partnership firm by four friends who were willing to take on the world's biggest, most famous paint companies operating in India at that time. Over the course of 25 years, Asian Paints became a corporate force and India's leading paints company. Driven by its strong consumer focus and innovative spirit, the company has been the market leader in paints since 1967. Today, it is double the size of any other paint company in India. Let's look more about the company. Asian Paints manufactures a wide range of paints for decorative and industrial use and also offers wall coverings, adhesives, and services under its portfolio. The company is also present in the home improvement and decor segment and offers bath and kitchen products. The company also introduced lightings, furnishings, and furniture in its portfolio. Asian Paints delivers joy since 1942. In the business of color, decor, design, and protection, making anything and everything beautiful and lasting. Being innovators, they transcend global boundaries and are the preferred brand. They are dynamic and disruptive, constantly redefining trends with world-class solutions, inspiring consumers to realize their dreams. They are committed to sustainability and safety. They are creative, co-creating and partnering with customers and stakeholders, transforming billions of living spaces and objects. They exist to beautify, preserve, transform all spaces and objects, bringing happiness to the world. We dare, we care, we create beautiful words. You can count on us. Said by Asian Paints. That is an amazing introduction about the company. They offer a wide variety of products in their portfolio, and here is a snapshot of it. Asian Paints is known as Golden Peacock in the industry. Let's look at some of the key performance indicators of the company. The market capital of the company is 3,03,015 crores. It's a large cap company and it has grown at a rate of 24% in the last 5 years. That is a really good growth. It has a face value of 1. The dividend yield is 0.57. The promoter holding is 52.79%, which is good, and the number of shareholders is 5,22,165. It has grown at a rate of 21% in the last 5 years. That is a good point about the company. Let's look at some more key performance indicators. The return on equity of the company is 27.4 and it has been stable over the last 5 years. These are the consolidated values for the year 2021. The net revenue of the company is 21,713 crores, which has grown at a rate of 7.4% in the last 5 years. The net profit of the company is 3,139 crores, which is 14% of their revenue. That is good. And the net profit has grown at a rate of 10% in the last 5 years. The revenue growth is 7.4 and the net profit growth is 10%. The net profit is growing faster than the revenue. That is a good sign about the company. The net worth of the company is 12,091 crores. The company has a debt to equity ratio of 0.03, which is very low, so the debt is very negligible for the company. That's a good point. The CEO of the company is Amit Singhal. He was appointed on April 1st, 2020, around a year back. He won the Top Business Leaders in India award by Impact Digital Power 100. The company was founded in the year 1942. It operates in 14 countries. The headquarters of the company is at Mumbai. There are totally 7,134 employees working at Asian Paints. Then employees has been growing at a rate of 3% in the last 5 years. Let's look at the key highlights of the company. It's a number one paint company in India and the third largest paint company in Asia and the ninth largest paint company globally. It enjoys 75 plus years of innovation in the paint industry. It operates in 14 countries and has 26 paint manufacturing facilities in the world, servicing consumers in over 60 countries. That's a really amazing growth of the company. The company has been consistently pursuing the portfolio growth. It has developed 48 new products variants in the recent year. They built a holistic approach to monitor risks in the pandemic time. The group enjoys a dominant share of over 50% in the organized domestic paints market. The second largest player has a market share of about 16%. Asian Paints is way higher to the 16%. The year 2021 also saw their vision of evolving into a home decor company, propelling the business with a strong set of initiatives. An investment of 1000 on 1st April 2002 would be valued at 1,14,535 rupees as on 31st March 2021, excluding dividend payouts. Asian Paints has paid a bonus 4 times so far, beginning from the year 1985 and the recent bonus paid year being 2003. It has a high institutional holdings at 27.73. Asian Paints operates under 7 brands. 45% of the revenue is from the region Asia, 26% of their revenue from Middle East, 24% of the revenue from Africa, and 5% of the revenue from South Pacific. Let's look at the awards the company won. The company won the Golden Peacock Award for Excellence in Corporate Governance. It's ranked 9th among the world's leading paint companies by Coatings. It's ranked among most trusted brands in the household category. It is rated as 5th most valuable brand in India, included in the Forbes list of world's best regarded companies for the second consecutive time, included in Forbes Asia's list of best over a billion companies. Let's look at the graph of the standalone key performance indicators. The revenue has been growing consistently over the last 5 years at a rate of 9.4%. The cash generated from operations also has been growing consistently at a rate of 10.3%, and the profit after tax has been growing consistently also over the last 5 years at a rate of 13.5%. The net fixed assets also has been growing in the last 5 years, though there is a small decline in the recent 3 years. It has been growing at a rate of 8.9%, and the market capitalization also has been growing in the last 5 years consistently at a rate of 23.9%. Major growth has happened in the recent financial year. That is a good sign, and the ROCE has been stable over the last 5 years, and it is also very high. It is at 38.1. If you look at the revenue growth percentage, it is 9.4%, and the profit after tax growth percentage is 13.5. The PAT has grown higher than the revenue, which is a very good sign. Let's look at the important recent news of the company. It has released their FY 2022 Q1 results recently, 20th July 2021. Their revenue has increased by 91.1% and PAT has increased by 160%, which is an amazing growth for the company. The market cap tops 3 trillion as the stock gains after their Q1 results. Let's take a look at the historic stock returns of the company. In the last 10 years, the stock has provided returns of around 900%. In the last 5 years, the stock has provided returns of around 200%. And in the last 1 year, the stock has provided returns of 80%. In the last 3 months, the stock has provided returns of around 23%. The stock has always been outperforming the Sensex. Let's look at the technical analysis of the stock. This is a daily candlestick chart of the stock. The stock has witnessed a Bollinger Band breakout, and the stock has given a strong recovery from the support line. Breakout has happened with a very high volume, and there is also a positive MACD crossover. We can enter at current levels and have a target of 3,827, and we can have a stop loss around 2,979 to 3,070, and the entry range could be 3,077 to 3,175. It offers a risk to reward ratio of 7.5, which is really good. Above 3 is really good. The RSI is very strong at 70.8. The sell strategy could be we can either sell at target or when there is a MACD negative crossover. The stock has a potential upside of 21% at a risk of 2.8%. The stock being fundamentally very strong, one can also be interested in investing in the stock at the medium term or long term. So this is the weekly chart of the stock. The stock has very well honored the support and resistance levels. It has been in an uptrend since August 2019. So the stock is currently closer to its resistance. We can wait for the stock to reach its support, and once we notice a bullish candlestick pattern at the support, we can enter there and we can have our exit at the resistance. When we notice a bearish candlestick pattern at the resistance, we can exit the stock. Or if the stock breaks out of the resistance instead of reaching its support, we could also enter at the close of the breakout and hold the stock until it closes below the 5 EMA, and we can exit at that time. The stock might offer an upside of around 60% at risk of 9% in the medium term. The stop loss could be the low of the candlestick pattern, and we can either enter at the close or at the median of the candlestick pattern. If the bullish candlestick is too big, we can choose to enter at the median. Same way, we can also exit at the close or at the median of the candlestick pattern. If the bearish candlestick pattern is very big, we can choose to exit at the median of the candlestick pattern. Otherwise, we can just exit at the close. Hope you enjoyed the talk. Hope it helps you progress in your investment journey. Strongly suggest you to do your own analysis before you enter into the stock. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.